What's up guys? Jeremy here with Shine Supply. Today I want to announce a new product we just launched, Beadlock Wrap. This is a ceramic coating specific for paint protection film and vinyl wraps. I'm going to give you guys a breakdown on how to apply it, along with how it is different from paint coating. Let's go. Okay, Beadlock Wrap is coming in 100 mil and a 50 mil. It's gonna come in our classic cylinder like the rest of our Beadlock products with an applicator pad. So this bottle in particular is the 100 mil. So I'm gonna give you guys a demonstration on this beautiful 2017 911R in Brewster Green. This car is one of 26, pretty special. Let's get into how to apply this. It's very similar to a paint coating. You're gonna shake the product up really quick. You're gonna apply it to the applicator exactly like you do a paint coating. We're gonna go a little heavy on our initial application, being that the applicator is new, just to get a good overall saturation of the pad, and then we do not need to apply that much moving forward. Now, before you start applying Beadlock Wrap, you always wanna make sure the paint protection film or the vinyl wrap is perfectly clean. Use a prep wipe that you might have in your arsenal already, or you can use our throwback from Shine Supply. So I'm gonna start off by going over half this hood. I like to start at the edge. We're gonna do a clean line down the middle. Box in our edges first, and then nice overlapping passes to fill it in. All right, now I'm gonna apply to this side of the hood. It is 73 degrees inside the shop. That has been on that side probably about 2 minutes. So as soon as I get it applied to this side of the hood, I'm gonna go back over there and start leveling. So with this product, you have a good couple minutes when you're at a moderate temperature. Again, like we are in this shop, 73 degrees. It is climate controlled in here, so keep that in mind. But I'd encourage you to do a swipe test because you're gonna have all different climates that you're applying this product in. So the swipe test is you just grab your leveling towel, come over to the area where you're ready to start leveling the product, and just do a little swipe. And if it breaks clear and you can see the film without a bunch of smears, then you know the product is ready to be removed. If you remove any type of coating for that matter, whether it's for PPF or actual paint, if you remove the coating prematurely in your leveling, you're actually drastically changing the performance of the product because you didn't allow it to properly bond to the surface. So always make sure you do that swipe test, and you can time it. You can see how long you left the product on the surface, swipe test it. If it breaks clear, recognize how long you've let it set, and then you can move forward and follow that model throughout the rest of the vehicle. So to level it, I'm just gonna do long, nice sweeping passes, medium down pressure. I'm not pushing that hard. I'm just thinking leveling rather than removing. It's not a lot of movement, no circles. Flip the towel, or you can have a second towel. Go over the area one more time with even lighter pressure. And as you can see, it's nice and crisp. All right guys, let's go over the 3 ways that a ceramic coating specifically for PPF is different than a paint coating. The number 1 is formulation. So Beadlock Wrap is a flexible coating on a chemistry level. You want that flexibility because film expands and contracts depending on temperature changes. So when you go from summer to winter, that film is having some movement. So you want to put a flexible coating on top of that to pair up with the elasticity of the film. Second point is purpose. What's the purpose of applying a coating to PPF or vinyl wrap? The number 1 thing I'd say is UV resistance, especially with vinyl wraps. Those get beat by the sun. So applying a sacrificial barrier on top of that vinyl is going to drastically protect that wrap from sun exposure. It's gonna work the same way with PPF or vinyl wrap. So all you're doing is adding a sacrificial barrier of protection on top of your investment. Lastly, let's talk about performance. How is Beadlock Wrap gonna help your PPF and Vinyl Wrap perform? First of all, let's talk about PPF. So by providing a sacrificial barrier on top of your PPF, Beadlock Wrap is gonna help protect it from UV rays, loss of clarity, and staining. It's gonna help keep the surface slick and make it a lot easier to clean. Now with vinyl wraps, especially if you have a satin wrap, it's going to protect that color. It's not gonna add gloss, but it's gonna richen and darken the color of your wrap, and then it's gonna give you excellent UV resistance on that vinyl wrap. As a lot of you know, vinyl wraps just get beat by the sun and they don't really have any protection on them or built into them. So Beadlock Wrap is gonna give you that sacrificial barrier on top of your vinyl to help protect it from fading and sun damage. All right, let's talk about durability and maintenance. So you can expect Beadlock Wrap to last up to 2 years with proper maintenance. What's proper maintenance for Beadlock Wrap? So if you're doing a bucket wash or you're washing with a foam gun, I recommend using our Shift soap from Shine Supply. It's pH neutral. It's specific for ceramic coating. If you want to do a waterless wash, I recommend using our Eco Shine. It's a great option if you want to do a waterless wash without getting out your hose and your bucket and all that stuff. Eco Shine is a safe, excellent option for the coating. Now, if you have some light dust you want to remove midweek in between washing, I recommend using our Ignition high-speed detailer. It's also got some SiO2 in it, so it's going to help keep the surface even slicker. It's going to continue to enhance the performance that Beadlock Wrap already has. That product's going to pair really well with the coating. So thanks for watching. I hope this gave you guys some great insight on how to apply the product, why you would want to use it, and how it's going to perform. We'll see you guys next time.